Hi everybody, welcome back to the TETRIX RoboByte video series. This is Tim from Pittsco Education, and today's RoboByte I want to talk to you about quick rivets. Quick rivets both for TETRIX Prime and quick rivets for TETRIX Max. Now, the whole process behind quick rivets is all about rapid prototyping. They're part of the structure family because you use them to create structure, but it's about using these as a way to facilitate or make that prototyping process much quicker. You don't need tools. It's all about, again, being able to put things together quickly, take them apart, and look and check and see how your design process works. The Max quick rivets come in packages of 100. You get both the quick rivet peg and you get the quick rivet body. Prime comes in a similar fashion. You do get the packages of 24, but they come separately. You get a package of 24 quick rivet pegs, or you can get a package of 24 quick rivet bodies. Again, these are very purpose designed, so the focus of these is there's only typically one use. They're about rapid prototyping. So an example of how they would work for the prime pieces, again, you have beams that are approximately, the wall thickness is about 1.7 millimeters thick, and then you have brackets and internal connectors that are about 2 millimeters thick. So in that process, these rivets are designed, the bodies are designed to go specifically through that amount of thickness, and they would go in place, and then the peg would go together and lock that in place. Again, making for a very quick, toolless assembly process so that I can put things together and take them apart very rapidly and prototype my type ideas in my design iteration process. So we have internal connectors, beams, we have gussets, again, the same thickness, 2 millimeters versus and 1.7, so the rivets would work exactly like they're designed and lock and hold things in place. Max works in a similar fashion. We've got just a smaller rivet, but again, we have a rivet peg and a rivet body. The body would go through the whole single holes on the Max pieces, just like such. And then the peg would lock that in place by expanding that rivet body. That's typically how a normal rivet works. So again, the pieces lock in place. The main difference on a Max is that I'm not as worried about the thickness. These are both 2 millimeter thickness, so they can be a little bit thicker, and that peg will still expand that rivet body and hold it in place. A larger example of that is what I have here. Again, you can see I can put several pieces together very rapidly and check out my design iteration. It's not meant for final assembly, it's meant for that rapid prototyping process to save you time. So, troubleshooting, again, you need to remember thickness. If I try and use the rivets with too much thickness, they won't lock and hold in place. So that's our quick rivet process. Remember, if you need additional resources, go to pitsco.com. At the bottom of every product page, you'll find resource files like spec sheets, CAD files. Everything you need to know about that specific product is at the bottom of each product page. So like we always say, have fun, build some robots, and come back and see us.